We are just at the Care for Dogs shelter in Chiang Mai. The shelter has been open for 10 years now, and they've helped so many dogs spayed and neutered and rescued and rehomed. It's an awesome place to come volunteer. They just ask for about 3 days at least to help come volunteer, and you can walk the dogs and hang out with them. They're all very sweet and very cute, so it's definitely a place you should check out if you want to help. Alright, so we have the shy dogs in this corner. Hi! Hi, sweeties. Oh, you're so sweet. I know. Oh, hi. 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 These are the old dogs. Hi, buds. Hi, sweetie. Hi, guys. Where most of the dogs hang out. Oh, Fritzy. This is Fritz. Fritz had an eye infection when he got here and had to remove his eyes. He's been here for a very long time. And he's the sweetest guy. Fritz. Deserves a very nice home, right? You deserve a nice home. Yeah, I just want snuggles. Be on a couch, loved.